Caring for a cat is highly rewarding and fairly easy, especially when compared to other pets. Feed your cat a high-quality cat food twice a day, and always leave a bowl of fresh water out so that your cat can drink when it's thirsty. You'll also need to put out a litter box so your cat has somewhere to go to the bathroom. Place it in a quiet area of your home, and clean it daily to prevent odors and encourage your cat to use it. To bond with your feline friend, get a variety of cat toys for it to play with, like a wand with feathers on it, and a ball that rattles. Many cats also enjoy chasing laser pointers. Play with your cat for at least 10 minutes a day to keep it active and happy. You should also provide it with some scratching posts so it doesn't scratch up your furniture. While you might be tempted to let your cat outside, the Humane Society recommends keeping cats indoors to protect them from predators, disease, and injuries. Indoor cats tend to live longer and stay healthier than outdoor cats. Remember to take your cat to the vet at least once per year to have it examined and vaccinated.